Hello fellow traders, Paul Lomo, Bitcoin Trading Club. Got another pretty good long-term chart on UNFI, UNFI. This one's been really popping strong off the lows. Got down to $5 PPP in 2020 and then back to about the $10 PPP in 2024. It's had a really nice pop off of that since then. Let's look at the BMI on it. About 3 BMI. And just really got some good action inside of these longer term cycles. Let's break down the cup action on it. First TSS was the TM4 cycle. That's a 10 to 13 month cycle. Second one was a TY-2. It's a 3.5 year cycle. This is a 3-day chart, so it may look a little confusing. It's not your typical daily chart. And we had the TY-3 cycle. It's a 5 to 7 year cycle off of that 2015 high. So once we get inside that, we had basically a TY2, a 3.5 year cycle. And again, you can see it got into that $10 PPP, popped hard, a couple 100%, came back, retested 20 PPP. So what we're dealing with right now is probably a retesting back into that $35 PPP. Probably not by much. It's already got a pretty solid bottom just above 35 PPP, and despite a pretty ugly day in the market, only pulled back a little bit off that TSS spike. TD3 cycle, 5 to 7 day cycle. So I have a feeling, pretty strong feeling, it's going to hold that 35 PPP on the pullback. And if in fact you like this particular stock, you want to scale in, you could do 5, 10, 25. Basically, 3 parts. Breakout of a 5-day high in part 1, 1/3. Breakout of a 10-day high on part 2, and then breakout of a 25-day high. So if you get up here, you got 25 and a 10. So basically 2/3 above that area there if you want to do that. But chart looks really good from the long-term perspective. Let's look at the cycle targets based on the move off of the lows. We got probably a 5 to 7, maybe more than that. That's actually a TM5 cycle, again, 9-day chart, 3-day chart. A little confusing to me. So we got channel right there. So TM5 north, it hit already. So TM5X going to be about $65 or so. Let's get a more accurate feel for that. Yeah, close to $65 or so. So we'll just have to see how it sets up there. Now, once you get up over here, you got blue sky above the $85 area. But at that point, it's going to have a heck of a lot of basement supply, like 800 or 900%. So I think we got still got a lot of base building before we get very far outside of that U pivot from 2015. But overall, really good looking chart. Let's look at the stock rating on it. Okay, stock rating on UNFI is a B-85. Risk profile is a B. And current market rating is still A+, but looking a little bit shaky right here. Last couple days in congestion zone, etc. So be careful. Again, this is a TY-3 cycle trade. We don't get a lot of those. Probably in the course of a few months, might get 1 or 2 if we're lucky. So good long-term chart. Hopefully we'll get a breakout that follows through. Again, this is UNFI, United Natural Foods, Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.